The United States is one of the richest countries in the world, but it's also the most expensive for healthcare. Why is that? Today, we're diving into the American healthcare system to see what makes it so costly. First, let's talk prices. A drug that costs $20 in Europe can be $200 or even $400 in the US. There's no national agency controlling drug prices, so pharmaceutical companies can set them as they please. Insulin is 10 times more expensive, an ambulance ride costs thousands, and routine tests are astronomically high. Then there's insurance. It's meant to help, but it's often just another burden run by for-profit companies. This means high deductibles, copays for every visit, and surprise medical bills that can be more terrifying than the illness itself. So what's the solution? Countries like Canada and Australia treat healthcare as a basic right, not a business. The government controls prices, making everything from drugs to surgeries affordable. America has the resources and technology to do the same. It just needs to change its priorities. Thanks for watching.